Hello guys, welcome back to Android Power. So after the success of Asphalt 8, Gameloft has launched Asphalt 9, but sadly it is for Philippines country. So there is no official way to download and play Asphalt 9 as of now. But wait, there is an unofficial way to download and play Asphalt 9, and no matter in which country you are living, you can download and play Asphalt 9. So in order to do that, you need to follow my guide in this video. So before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button and smash the bell icon for more tech related videos like this. So in order to play Asphalt 9 outside of Philippines country, there are 3 requirements. One is JATA zip file, and the second one is Asphalt APK, and the third one is ExpressVPN. All the links in description box, so do check out and download all the files. After downloading all the files, open these files in any good file manager like ES-File or MI Explorer and extract the zip file. After extracting the zip file, install the Asphalt 9 APK and don't open that cause it will not work as of now. Hit on done button and go back. You will see a folder named com.gameloft.android. You need to copy this folder and go to Android. Then you will see OBB folder. Open the OBB folder and paste this folder there. And after pasting that, go to Play Store and search for ExpressVPN. As you can see, I have already downloaded and installed ExpressVPN. So just open the ExpressVPN and search for the Philippines via Singapore and tap on and connect the VPN. Once it's connected, go back, go to your home screen and open the Asphalt 9 game. And the game will check some of its required files, and once it's done, you can able to play Asphalt 9 game. And as you can see, I am playing Asphalt 9 on my Redmi Note 5 Pro. So there is no lag at all and I haven't found any issues or bugs in this game. So you can choose any of your dream car and play the Asphalt 9 game. So that's it for the video and thanks for watching. I'm signing off. Bye bye.